Atoms do oscillate around their own center. The average amplitude of that oscillation is called temperature. 0 Kelvin, the atom does not move. 273 kelvins, ice melts. 373 kelvins, water boils. Every stuff emits thermal radiation. The wavelength of this radiation depends on the surface temperature of the respective stuff. It is not only one wavelength, but some sort of bell curve around a maximum. This maximum is called lambda max, and a dude by the name of Herr Wilhelm Wien found out about it. That's him. He came up with a very simple formula. Wien his displacement law. Lambda max in micrometers equals 2897.8 divided by the temperature in Kelvin. The average surface temperature of the Earth is about 288 kelvins. Ergo, the energy Earth emits through thermal radiation peaks at about 10 micrometers. As you can see, the overwhelming bulk of energy gets emitted by objects having a surface temperature between 210 and 315 kelvins. Alas, CO2 absorbs radiation only around 15 micrometers. That's 193 kelvins. 193 kelvins is 30 kelvins below the average temperature of the South Pole. Rhetorical question. I take a shotgun with a decent spread and aim at 10 hours. You are standing at 15 hours. Will I hit you? By the way, each pole is in complete darkness for half a year. Whatever the sun might have added to the caloric budget in summertime, there's enough stuff having temperatures different from 193 kelvins and enough time to get rid of any gained energy. Here's another one. Once upon a time there was a dude called Herr Georg Simon Ohm. This one. And Simon said, water flows downhill, and the higher the hill and the lesser the resistance, the mightier the stream. Nowadays it's called Ohm's law, and it applies for temperatures as well. Temperature flux equals temperature difference divided by the thermal resistance. Earth's core has some 6,273 kelvins, her surface some 288 kelvins. Simon says flux flows from higher potential to lower potential. Ergo, the Earth is cooling, just like it is suggested by the opening of the Big Bang Theory. Would Sheldon Cooper ever lie to you? By the way, if everything gets warmer, then there's even less stuff left, which can radiate at 193 kelvins. On March the 24th of 2020, it had minus 11.7 degrees Celsius, that's 11 degrees Fahrenheit, in Berlin Tempelhof.